Hello everybody, I'm here already in Singapore. Now I'm here in my new hotel for another 11 days. I'm here in Royal Residence Hotel here in Singapore. So, this is my room now. Ayan. It's so nice. It's my single room. I have my own privacy for the next 11 days. And this is my toilet. O, diba? Ang social. So, I haven't been to Singapore for more than 2 years. And I haven't slept yet. I arrive here 9:40 in the morning. And I go straight to Marina Sands Grand Theater. Because I have work. Kasi nga, because of APEC, I have to change my flight. So, all the way straight from Manila, Singapore, go straight to the venue. Finally, now, natapos din yung work ko, so medyo pagod, pero it's okay. No enough sleep, but tonight, I'm gonna sleep like a baby. Tomorrow is another day, another dollar for me here in Singapore, so another adventure for you guys here in Uniquely Singapore for 2015. So, hope you like all my videos, so see you guys soon. Bye-bye.